Chika Minute na po mga kapuso at ang maghahatid ng latest sa showbiz happenings ngayong Martes, si Sparkle star Hannah Argelies. Hannah!
Thank you, Miss Vicky. And good evening, mga kapuso. Palaki ng palaki ang Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Ngayong tahanan na rin ito para kay Miss Universe 2025 third runner-up at Tisa Manalo. Sino-sino kaya ang mga gusto niyang makatrabaho? Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Ilang beses mang iniwasan sa showbiz team na uwi si Miss Universe 2025 third runner-up Maria Atisa Manalo. Last year pa raw dapat susubukan ni Atisa ang show business, pero mas nang ibabaw ang ambisyon niyang makapag-uwi ng corona para sa Pilipinas.
Alam mo, dati iniiwasan ko talaga showbiz. Sabi ko, I don't know, I just thought that it's a big world that I don't understand. But now I realized that, okay, I better try it before huli na yung lahat.
What made you decide?
After Miss Universe, I wanted to pour my passion again into something and I haven't found that yet. So sabi ko, maybe this is the perfect way to explore what I actually want to do.
Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy na ang panibagong challenge sa career ng beauty queen. Pumirma si Atisa ng kontrata sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Kasama si GMA Network Incorporated Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo. At Empire Artist Management Vice President Mau De Leon.
She's very beautiful, she's very talented, napakabait. So I'm very happy na magsasparkle na siya. Lalabas na siya sa isang TV show as a special guest. Abangan yon and may movie tayo.
Siyempre, lahat tinatanong ng ganito. Pag paunang pumasok sa showbiz, sino ba yung mga nasa wish list mo?
Sino ba ang mga gusto kong makatrabaho? Leading Man, Alden Richards. I wanna work with Marian Rivera, Ding Dong Dantes. I wanna work with people who have been in this industry, who's honed their craft well for years and years, because I'm sure I can learn anything from anyone. I'm very, very excited to see what GMA is gonna open yung mga doors for me.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa showbiz happenings.